Assemble the left Y-axis assembly. Mount B on A from the side, and secure it with 3 screws in total from the top and the side. Assemble the right Y-axis assembly. Assemble the rear panel assembly. Mount D to B and C from the rear, and secure them with 6 screws in total from the top and the side. Place the X-axis component into the corresponding position of the left and right Y-axis. Use M4X1 2 screws to secure both sides. Mount the air assist and install the laser shield. Assemble the ALM4 OBD 4O laser module. Use M4*12 mm screws here in conjunction with the X-axis tensioner to adjust the X-axis belt. Here use the left Y-axis tensioner fixing screw for locking. Use 2 M4*16 mm screws here in conjunction with the left and right X-axis tensioners to adjust the Y-axis belt. Here use the right Y-axis tensioner fixing screw for locking. Insert one end of the air tube into the air hole of the laser module. Insert the other end of the air tube into the cable box. Put the air pipe and main cable through the hole under the X-axis. Use cable ties to secure the cables. Put the air pipe and main cable through the hole under the Y-axis. Turn over the machine. Insert the motor cable. Insert the two terminals on the front section of the main cable into the corresponding socket of this PCBA. Slide the X-axis assembly until the rear end cannot slide. Slide the coupling onto the motor extension shaft. Place the coupling here to connect the motor extension shaft and the short optical shaft, and then use Allen key to lock the two screws here. The X-axis limit stop post prevents the laser module from hitting the front frame. Connect the end of the pipe with the metal connector to the tube on the machine. Plug in the power supply and the air pump. Ensure that the emergency stop switch is in the raised position. Use the key to unlock the key lock. Press power for 5 seconds.